Do you want to know the difference in between compound and geared loppers? Now, with a pair of scissors or a pair of shears, they're connected with one single pivot point in the middle, just one in the centre. But with compound, what you have is 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at the difference in the action. That's that way, and that's that way. And that gives you an easier and more fluid cut. In fact, 35% more power with the compound than the straight singular rivet. Now, with the gears, that works on two cogs almost working together. See that? And that gives you even more power. In fact, 45% more power than the single pin and another 10% more power than the compound. The compound will cut 35mm thickness of wood, but the gears will cut 45, and that's the difference. And the best thing about having more powerful loppers, it makes the cut nice and clean, and a clean cut means the plant can heal itself quicker after the pruning. For more information on gardening or garden tools, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.